Ylia, the little puppet who dreamt of dancing. Ylia was born in a puppeteer's workshop, where he created puppets with love. He had no children, so his puppets were like his babies. To create his puppet, he chose a very thin branch of a fig tree. Then he dressed her with a pretty red dress and gave her beautiful silver hair. When he finally finished his puppet, he admired her, giving her the name of Ylia and made her dance. From her first movement, she was elated and wanted to never stop dancing.